When the Developmental Day School started back in 1969, it started as a school for children with special needs, and that is our primary purpose. That is our philosophy, that is our guide, that we will offer service first to kids with special needs. Over the past 32 years, I have looked at how to grow the school, what new things that we can start, what new programs. And our gardens has been one of the most important things that we've done. We've had such fun. We have gardens on 3 of our playgrounds. So all the kids, they know their job is to take care of the garden. So they will weed it, usually successfully. They will water the plants, but they love to harvest. And when they harvest, they take the vegetable to the kitchen, and our cook is just so excited to see those. And she talks about it with the kids, and the vegetables are washed. And then at mealtime, she takes the vegetables to the classroom and say, "This is what you grew. This came from your garden." And they're just eating it and loving it. And this whole process has triggered for us the desire to reach out more locally for all of our foods.
Here at the school, we work with a lot of local produce stands and go pick up our produce. Our cook will look at the menu for the week and figure out what fruits and vegetables we may need. We'll call in our order, and it's typically local to our produce stands here. Our goal here at the school is for all our children to be safe and happy and nurtured and given the best nutritional meals that they possibly can have, because a lot of times parents are very busy and a lot of our kids do not get the fresh fruits and vegetables that we'd like them to have. Our school, Wilkes Developmental Day School, contracts with Child Care Food Program through the state. A lot of our families are lower income families, so there is no charge for any foods that are served here at the school. We serve breakfast, lunch, and snack here. All meals have to serve certain components, so you always have to have your meat, your whole grain, your fruit, your vegetable, and your milk. It has to be unflavored milk. 2 years ago, in our garden that is raised here at our school, we planted the beets, and our beets really came in and they were doing great. So the kids was loving picking them and bringing them in. Our cook done a roasted beet menu, and the kids loved it for snacks. So we actually sent in our cook's recipe to the CACFP program, and they chose it to be one of their recipes that they use. So we're very proud of that, and I'm just so glad that our kids can be a part of raising the garden and helping in their nutrition.
All of our children, regardless of their ability, are participating and learning all kinds of cool things from this. There's socialization, there's science, there's language, there's all of these things that they're learning from the garden and incorporating fresh and local foods.